This is the Brown Bear restaurant in Las Vegas. That's Christina. Are you excited this morning? And that's the fam here. Miguelito, his wife.
OMG.
And that's the man boob guy. All right, this is the Hoover Dam, and as you can see, this place is incredible. Incredible. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Look, I'm going to show you how tall, how deep, and everything is. Look.
Look at Alex. Hold on to the camera, Alex. Don't drop it, Alex.
Look, that's going down, straight down.
Oh, just has to collect it, right? Yeah, okay.
That is crazy. That is crazy. This place is.
Everybody's coming
okay.
out. You guys need to move for a second.
All right.
Let's put it over really quick. You have it zoomed.
We're zooming in on those cars down there.
It's like he's getting up to this. Yeah, you had it too zoomed and I couldn't get to you guys. Oh, there we go. Oh, no wonder I came out. Here we go.
That's crazy, huh?
1, 2.
Let's see what else. Where's that little boat? There was a boat down
You
there.
had it zoomed, so it's
That's when I
was like, why was these there?
All right, we're at almost to getting to the Grand Canyon here. This is just a little stop that we did over here, and Grand Canyon Inn, as you can see. Look at the Flintstones, watch. Flintstones. Flintstones. Just to give you an idea what it. This is the town of Valle. See, see, welcome to Valle. Nice little town. These are the old cars. Pretty cool cars. Don't touch. What does a Mustang got to do? I guess it must be a fast Mustang, right? Must be a fast Mustang. Nice bike. We are right there. And basically that's where we drove all the way from Lake Mead.
Are you covering the sign, babe?
All right, where's the special kid? Where'd he go?
Where'd he go? He's over there.
Hey, special ed.
And they say special case.
Special ed, who left the map to the Grand Canyon, who gave it.
Cuidado por ahí, don't go there.
The Grand Canyon.
I like the wallpaper background.
Look at that. Right?
That's beautiful.
For miles and miles.
Miles and miles and miles and miles. Mom, I like the wallpaper.
Wow, that's beautiful.
No, just look at the wallpaper. It's so beautiful.
What wallpaper?
The wallpaper.
Oh, that wallpaper?
Yeah, I like the wallpaper.
I wish I had
I like the wallpaper right there.
I told you, Mom. No, it's so bad.
Oh my god.
This is crazy how that has a cave, bro. Mira para allá. We haven't seen the bottom.
There's a cave over there on the bottom. See over there?
Where?
Well, look.
Where?
Look there. In the bottom.
Oh, I'm zooming in.
We're here at the Grand Canyon. Clara, Baja. Christina, Melgar.
Mrs. Special Case.
Christine, Melgar. Hey, special case, turn around.
That's Mr. Special Ed.
That's Miguel Melgar Jr.
Oh my gosh. Think about
Oh,
if
it's
you fall
beautiful,
down.
isn't it?
Papa, why did you say that right now? I look down on it.
And it's funny how everything is flat and then suddenly this go. That's how
What
deep
created
this is.
this?
Water.
Oh, and it dried up?
Huh?
Then it dried up?
I'm all like,
Yeah, right? I need a picture on this one.
Yeah, I want to.
All right, guys.
Let's go.
We're going to go to that point right there where basically you ain't have nothing.
he would die. Yeah.
And everybody always says, oh, you always take this. And then
That's where I met my friends at. And you know they
Look how the Grand Canyon is. Look how beautiful. How vast that place is.
look at this.
Look at that.
imagine if what these people over there.
This is crazy.
He actually triple the wall.
Look how far it goes.
Okay, right here, if we.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? You want to see the house?
See the house down there? You gotta adjust it. The thing, heat it, whatever you need. It has to be clean.
Look for the greenery. See the greenery? Yeah. And it's look. It has a blue top.
Oh, like
See it?
Yeah, see them?
Thank you.
Right.
We're going on the trail down there via that trail. As you can see, it keeps going down.
almost there.
It was better going down.
All right, let's see all the snowpokes. Come on this way, Mama. Come on.
We're going down the canyon.
See the mini caves? Oh yeah, look at the mini caves.
¿Por qué no?
You're not gonna sit on the rock?
What happened?
Sit on the rock. That's beautiful. Zoom on the rock.
Beautiful, but look at the rock.
We are looking at the rock. It looks beautiful.
If he can do it, you can do it, baby. You're a soldier.
No, you ain't.
No, yeah. Hold on, Mama.
Got it.
You got it.
No, we don't got it. Okay, your turn. Oh no, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
You're after him, I think.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you guys are brave.
Crazy, eh?
Yeah, que sí que. That video.
Okay. Wait. Stay right there. Just stay right there. Babe. All right. We came so far.
We came not even halfway down. We still have all that to go. Look down there. Slowly. honey.
Look at all this.
We have to go
See those people?
all that.
See all those
We
people?
have to end up all the way down to the bottom with those people.
See
are.
those people down there? We gotta keep going now. Go all the way down and climb all the way up. All the way up.
Look at Melgar, look at Melgar.
Let's go look at my friend. Melgar!
Yeah. I'll be your guy.
OMG.
I got you. I mean, I've been hiking, I've been canoeing,
But nothing like this.
I've been every adventurous thing. This is crazy stuff, dude. And we still got stuff to do.
Hey, once you get down there, it's more safer.
Look, we already have climbed down. Look, you see where those people are at up there? Let's see. And you see one ledge, but we all the way up there is where we came. All right, all the way down. Let's Melgar. And we gotta keep going all the way down.
I'm okay climbing up.
Yeah.
Down there.
It's just going down.
Going down?
I'm gonna try to zoom into some of these people. Let's see if you see some people. Let's see. Okay, you see people there. It keeps going down. Let's see if we see people. Go! All right. We survived. We made it all the way up here. And we made it up here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like after I don't even think it's 2 mile journey to there. And just how far, how it keeps going down and down and down and down and down and down and down. We got to go back up that way. Where you see those people? Watch. There, walking. We got to go around and go back up. Look at that. Look at breathtaking. All right. We are on a climb up from that cliff down there. Come on, Clara. Let's go. This is us. Let's see. I don't know if you can see us here. Here you go. This is me and Clara at the halfway point, man. We're under this.
Going down, it was beautiful. Climbing up is beautiful, but it's not so nice. I'm so tired. I'll never forget this.
We just came up. You see where those guys are going? It keeps going and going and going and going and going and going, and it goes all the way down there.
Look,
but we only went 2 miles, dude. But look, okay, I'm gonna zoom in where we gotta go climb. See if you see somebody up there. Yeah, you see people up there? That's the halfway point.
We still
gotta go all the way up there. You see where that guy is all the way up there where you got him? That's where we gotta go.
Yeah, you gotta zoom there.
Look, we gotta climb up. Let me see if I can. That's Melgar and his family. And as you can see, this goes up.